Unkoshile.
Ngoba ngingena phela angendawo futhi ngizifaka umntwana futhi nafunda ngesifunda afunda namuntu ngoba ngizama so
Angifuni phela lapha. Angifuni.
Nama angikufuni. Awungizisi kanti nje nama ngikufuni. Ngela kubaba. Ufuna stressing.
Yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Wafanele Nontsiko. Umfana wazala inyanga umama wakho umthakathi umngane wakhe yaloyo. You are about to go. Hey guys, I'm out here in Tembisa, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to prank my family. If you have seen the title, you have seen the caption, you have seen the thumbnail. So I'm going to prank my family. I'm going to tell them that my dad kicked me out, you know what I'm saying? So if it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop. Please guys, goal is to get this video to 50 likes, you know what I'm saying? Without any further ado, let's watch.
Hey yo, what up guys? It's your boy.
I beg guys, so now I'm going where my aunt where is my aunt? What she's doing? She's selling fruits or something. I'm going there so that I can first tell her before I go in the house, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, my dad kicked me out, so let's go, let's get it. I'm going to prank her. I'm going to prank them. I beg guys, so now I must change my face and make it sad so that she can believe that my dad kicked me out, you know what I'm saying? I have arrived, so let's go to her. I don't know how she's going to react, but we'll see. I don't know. And I don't see her. I beg guys, so hola. What's up? Hey Joe, alright. I'm more excited. More excited.
Mago.
Eh?
Mago.
Mago, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. She said she's in the home, guys, so I'm going to the house. Fuck. I'll find the whole family there. Hey, that's crazy. I'll find the whole family there. That's crazy. So stay tuned. I don't know how they are going to react, but oh, there she is. Guys, there she is. Crazy. There she is. That's her. There she is, guys. I don't know if she still remembers me, but stay tuned. I beg guys, now I have arrived in my home, so in the family house. So I don't know their reaction. I don't know how they are going to react. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. You see this prank things? You see this prank things? It's crazy, but yeah. I don't know how they're going to react, but
Uyaphi?
ekhaya yabo bangicishile.
Why? You?
Ngithole ngibhema.
And then?
Akazi phela.
Manje uxoshela nokuthi uzohlala phi? Uxoshela nokuthi uzohlala phi?
Shangazi nami ngicabanga nini.
Hamba kakhulu. Unka video?
Hayi nake content creator. Owazi kan? Wait.
Ke ba ke sebile o tšhentšha le video o tšhentšha le camera
Hi.
ke vlog or ke day in the life or guys iqoshiwe ekhaya
Mara like vele. Yes.
Eh?
Guys.
Kunamanga uyasipranka la.
Hayi akusi prank.
Ah, ungangishuthi ngiyangezanga yazi. Ubuyaphi?
Ekhaya. Izolo wathi namhlanje sengivuke ngihamba.
Wena nawe uyavuka uyahamba.
Okay, ukhona mamkhulu. Mara ngicela ungitshele la yena.
Na uyabona ukuthi ngiyasebenza.
Uthini?
Hayi.
Uthini mara? Ash. Ash. Sama.
Yebo,
Njani?
phila kunjani? Manje. Kunjani?
Okay. Ash.
Yini? Wathi ishi manje ngingena ngama-ishi. Simona or Simtu? What's wrong?
Wo. Ubaba mangixoshile le.
Uxosheleni?
Ngithina senzeni bona akho umzali wakho thina sangina akho singena khona sibonele okho zaxothi yazi nje xothele na yavu lapho xothi
Wenzeni?
hambe baba khona
Ungibhaqe
nawo sisibona
ungibhaqe ngibheke.
nyene sihle ngoba ugijima uzoza lapho yena ngini na ngini leyo ufuna into ebhemayo lapha
Mengala ngakho.
angakunama kodwa zayenza ukugxotha umzali wakhe egxothela izenzo zakhe ezimbi okubalekela lakhe ngezenzo zakhe ezimbi abuyela kubabakho ogxotha umzali wakhe buyela izenzo zakhe ezimbi buyela kuye la kwami sorry ngiyabonga abantwana yabona bakho stoti sanje buyela kubabakho ubabakho lo ngubabakho esaphila edla amazimba yabuye nabo sisi bakho bakhona yakubo sisi wakho uthokapi sisi wakho
Akanala hlala khona.
hamba kusisi wakho ngumuntu khona uganile njengobuye kuye
Isemendweni.
iyakhona asingeni ndawo thina ngapho singena khona singendawo mabaleka kini iyabusisi wakho baba khona ukuthi khona yaphila udlamazinga
Ungixoshile.
ngoba mina ngena phi lapha angendawo mina angendawo futhi ngizwana umntana student angifuni umntana student angifuni umntana muntu because angizwani nomntana student angifuni umntana muntu sorry umntana muntu ngizwa babakho
Why am I getting?
Angifuni phela lapha.
Nama ngikufuni. Nama angikufuni. Awusisikala uthintini. Nama ngikufuni. Bela kubabakho. Funa stress mina. Bakunda ngizengilaphi. Khopha ungena khona ngafuna umzali wakho. Uze ngingavela ngakufunishi. Uze ngakufuni ukubona ukuthi izenzo zakho zinjani. Ngiyakuzali wakho.
Ubone airtime ne?
Ngifo. Akunikeza ithele bakho.
Mamkhulu uthi ngijike manje.
Jika.
Manje.
Manje ke-eri nje ku-Eliyadi ithanda iPitori. Angingeni ngijika manje. Ithanda iPitori. Eliyadi manje sesingobo-2. Eliyadi ithanda iPitori. Jika manje. Angifuni.
Mama, try more. Please.
I will just give no yes.
Please, Mama.
Okay.
Akuna mistake la. Ngeke mistake angeke. Ekubuzalo ngakhohlwa ukuthi hayi namhlanje wenza mistake. Akuxosha namhlanje. Sami ngeke ayikho.
Bankoshile. Awungikoshile sisi. Ngiyajika.
It's nice that you so bad. Umuntu mbika kuhlala phi?
Well, la me yahlala khona from last year.
Lapha kulenza.
Islovu. Nyingi lapha. Mai ngiyajika.
Kanti wena ubhemela ini? Waye wena usitola.
Mangazi.
Zaba ngicosho babakho straight.
Angifuni imali. Hey, ngathi ngifuna imali ukuthi ngihambe sisi. Ash. Taxi. Ngiyatshela. Ash. Hey, guys. We got them, so I'm thinking of going back and tell them that it's a prank, you know what I'm saying? I'm going back and tell them it's a prank. Let's see their reaction. Let's go, let's get it. Ngiyadlala. Prank. Prank, ngozelo nguboniphi? Aisho ngithi ngiyavlog. Hayi prank, ithi ngomtshela ukuthi prank othi ithathe serious.
Uyamazi mamkhulu akafuna umuntu ositola.
Ithi ngiyoprank, ithi ngomtshela ukuthi prank. Uyakujikisa at the same time. Ash.
ngihamba ukusolve i-prank yakho.
Yebo mengikushuta i-prank mamkhulu.
Hamba uyisolve. Hamba uyisolve.
Ngithi i-prank mengidlala.
Hamba uyisolve into zakho.
Hayi angixoshwanga i-prank mengidlala. Angixoshwanga angibhemi. I-prank. I-prank.
I-prank yani?
Angixoshwanga and then angibhemi. I-prank. Prank. Ngithi i-prank.
Okay. Hlala phansi-ke.
So mamkhulu angixoshwanga and angibhemi.
Angifuni umuntu David.
Mengizonibona.
Angisafuni.
Huh?
Angisafuni umuntu. Njengomuntu lo mntana lo.
Ini.
Ngithi ngihambe.
I-prank ngikhathele video ke. Ini.
Angisafuni umuntu mina la kwami. Angisafuni.
That was the end of the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We got them. If I can got them, so if you made it this far, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click notification bell so that you can get more pranks. Comment down below W pranks. You know what I'm saying? They even take it serious. They are chasing me out. So I don't know. Maybe I should go back home. I don't know. They chased me out. They are kicking me out. They took it personal, and it's a prank, bro. So I gotta cut this video and tell her it's a prank, because she doesn't understand, bro. She doesn't wanna hear anything. So tango, peace out.
Thola taola ntja raba laola ntja ga bethanyana ntja nara khona ntja ke mariha ntja ga roba faola le bethanyana ntja ga bethanyana ntja